Hello and welcome to another episode of Kajabi in 5 minutes. I want to talk to you today about the offers in Kajabi and what they are and how you use them. The offer is what you do in Kajabi to collect payment or to give access to a product. And it's a pretty big area in Kajabi. So I'm going to spend the next few episodes talking about a bunch of different things to help you understand all of the possibilities. Kajabi has so much to give in the offer space. I was going to say so much to offer with offers, but they've got so much in here to let you do just a wide variety of things. The possibilities are really way out there. So we're going to go through it all. I'm going to help you explain what you can do with offers and how to use them. So in the basic sense, the offer in Kajabi is what gives you the ability to put a checkout page in front of somebody. And that would be like a forward way or a user experience way of using the offer. You can also do a whole bunch of things with offers in the back end through automations and other things that users don't see. So this would be a front-end approach. The most common probably way of using an offer is through a checkout page so that your clients can see it. And they can buy something or they can sign up for free for something, and then you give them a product. The offer is how you collect money. It's the only way in Kajabi to collect money. Let's learn about it. That's an awesome thing. So that's what it does. The offer is a checkout page. It's a front-end user end experience to sign up for something and to get a product within your list of products. And that's kind of the purpose of it. And then there's a whole bunch of things that you can control. For instance, how long access is given. When does access start? You can control the price of something. You can have the payment type. Is it a single payment? Is it a pay what you want? Is it a subscription payment? Is there a trial period where they don't pay? Is there an upfront cost and then a recurring payment? Is it every month, every week, every year? Is it every 2 months or 3 months? Or what's the payment cycle? Is it a subscription, like all of those things? Or is it a multiple payments? In other words, a payment plan. And what's the difference between a payment plan and a subscription? Is it a gift offer where someone's buying for somebody else? I think that might be all of them. There's just a lot of different types of ways you can set up a payment system for your stuff. And then you can add coupons into it. And does the coupon apply only to the first payment, or does it apply to all of the payments, or just a set number of them? All of these things are things that offers can do and that we'll cover in not this episode, but in the coming episodes. Next in the offers is what happens when somebody actually hits the purchase button. Is there an upsell? Is there a downsell? Did you put a bump in that offer? Did you collect a password in the offer on the checkout page, or is it happening afterwards? Are you sending them to the library page or to a thank you page or to a custom landing page? All of these are settings. What emails are you sending? The default email? Are you customizing it or just going with none? And then there's the automations. And with the automations, you can do a whole bunch of stuff. So that is just kind of a preview of the things that we're going to cover talking about offers over these next few episodes. We're going to get into when offers are purchased. We're also going to talk about offers being granted and what that means and how that works. So keep listening, and we're going to learn everything there is to know about offers.